Hello traders, my name is Anthony from AA Global FX, and today I'll show you how to open an account on xm.com. In this tutorial video, we'll create an account, verify it, which means we will go over all the documentation you will need to get your account approved, discuss funding and withdrawal options, and last, download and log into the trading platform. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you don't miss out on our Forex videos. To begin, please click the link on the description below the video, which will take you to the XM Broker homepage. Once there, please click on the green Open Account button. We are doing this because we would like to open an actual account. Don't be startled if the language on the XM website isn't English, because XM uses a GP tracker. The language on the website will often be that of your origin. Nonetheless, press the green button. After pressing the green button, you will meet the screen which says, "Let's get you registered." Basically, here you choose your country of residence, you put your email address and password, then agree to the terms and conditions that apply. After which you'll be sent an email where it will require you to verify your email address. Once you've verified your email address, it will take you to the login page. Use your email address and password to enter your account. You'll then be presented with the page that says demo account and real account. Let's choose real account. After you choose real account, you'll be taken to this page where it displays profile, investor profile, trading account setup. You'll be required to answer questions, so fill them out to qualify for a real account. On the new page, you must input information such as your first and last name, your country of origin, your preferred language, your phone number, and email address. When it comes to investor information, please complete this as you wish to, and the same goes for the trading knowledge and experience. Now we move to the trading account setup screen. Take caution here, because your decision is crucial. You must first select a trading platform type. You have the option of using MT5 or MT4. The key distinction between the two is that MT4 is intended especially for Forex traders, whilst MT5 was designed to give traders access to CFDs, stocks, and futures. Choose the one that best meets your requirements. I'll use MT5 for the purposes of this video. Finally, you must select an account type. Standard, Micro, and XM0 are the available sizes. Each account type has its advantages, which we'll discuss in depth in our review video. For the sake of this video, we'll open a micro trading account, which requires only a $5 deposit. Now, one of the most important parts is the creation of your account password. The account password should consist of 3 character types: lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and numbers. Please read the terms and conditions, and if you understand and agree with everything, check the box and click Open Account. Congratulations, your XM account has been activated. Please go to your email and confirm your registration by clicking on the link delivered to your email address. When you click it, you will be taken back to your approved account, where you will find your MT5 ID number. It would be an MT4 ID number if you have an MT4 account. Nonetheless, please save the number or save the second email you will receive from XM, as your MT5 ID will be found there as well. To move forward, enter your password and click Login. Your account is now verified, but not validated. To validate your account and claim the $30 bonus, you will need to provide them with further information such as tax identification number, if you have one, or if you don't, upload a selfie of you holding an identification card such as license or passport, and also upload a proof of residence, such as electricity bills or internet bills with your address and name on it. Please click on the XM logo to return to your login page. There, you'll notice that they provide 2 additional bonuses of 50% and 20%. Both are subject to the quantity of money you put in order to be claimed. For example, if you invest $1,000, you can receive up to $500 as a 50% bonus. The same is true for the 20% bonus, but it can be worth up to 4,500 in bonuses. The funding possibilities will be the next thing we look at. To view them, go to Deposit Funds. The options will vary depending on the country which you live in. Debit and credit cards, web money, and stick pay are the available alternatives in the United Kingdom. Feel free to select the one that best suits your needs. Last but not least, download the MT5 or MT4 platform of your choice, either on your mobile or on your desktop, and log in. Choose the platform that works best for you by clicking on the top right side where it says Platforms. For this tutorial, I'll use MT5 on the PC. After that, click Download to begin the simple installation. It takes about 1 minute to install. When it does, click the XM Global Limited and then proceed. Choose Connect with existing trading account from the 3 possibilities. Do you remember the MT5 ID? If you don't, go to your email and copy and paste it because it's your login. Also, enter the password you used to create the account and click Finish. Congratulations, your account has been linked to your profile. You are now finished. Your account is currently being validated. If you uploaded the relevant tax identification number and document, these will be validated within a few hours. All that is left is for you to trade. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. We sincerely hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and enable notifications so that you don't miss any of our videos.